I hope everybody is doing wonderful. I did go ahead today and pick up my Patrick Starrr items. And so I want to go ahead, I just did my makeup and I want to try the powder. All right, so let's give it a try. Now the last powder, it really did leave like a cast on me. I like the powder as like the formula goes, but it was just the shade of it just really didn't work for me. It kind of had like a little pinkiness to it. I still use it though, but it just wasn't exactly everything. Here is the powder. It came in the red box from Patrick Starrr. And let's go ahead and let's give this an open up. Now this poof is just so cute and pretty much everything. I really don't want to use it because it's so cute and things like this. I just don't understand, how do you use it? Like, I know how to use it, but I just don't understand how people can use them because they're so cute. And that's the powder. It looks pretty much the same as the first one. I'm just gonna go ahead and tap this on. Again, this powder is still performing as far as the beauty of it. It really is a gorgeous, gorgeous powder. And when you put it on the skin, it literally just like melts into your skin, which is amazing. I really don't want to bake with this because it just doesn't give me the right shade, but it definitely gives me the right texture that I need underneath my eye and other things. So I'm just gonna put it under there and tap it out. Wow. Of course, you guys know this powder is absolutely gorgeous. Okay guys, so I did use the Patrick Starrr powder on the face. Now I did mix it with my Maybelline powder. That's just because I just felt like, you know, the shade of it, it looks better on me when I mix it. So I did mix it. Now it is time to pull out the mineralized skin finish. And this is the one that I got today. Oh my gosh, it is so large. It's so big. And this is the Patrick Starrr Mineralized Skin Finish. It is called Baby It's Gold Outside. And that is the cutest names that he came up with. I love the names. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch this. The back of the hand. I was concerned that it wouldn't look good on my skin tone, but we're gonna try it on the face right now to finish off my look. And to apply the Patrick Starrr Max Skin Realized Finish, I'm just gonna go ahead and so this is the Patrick Starrr Mineralized Skin Finish on my skin. Guys, it looks really good. So I was excited about this because actually this is my first ever mineralized skin finish powder and it looks really good. I was concerned when I saw him swatch it on his channel, on his hand, I was concerned that it just wouldn't look good on me, but actually the shade that he chose is a really versatile shade. So it really just goes on the skin and it just looks great. And I am excited about it because it looks gorgeous, guys. Just take a look at that. Another thing that I noticed is that it is just really fine. The product is amazing. Love it. And it just goes on really nice on the skin. Now, I love this product here. Definitely wish there was a mirror inside of here. I love if there were a mirror. That would have made this like everything, especially with the size of this compact. This compact is just huge. It fits in the palm of my hand. Like, just look at that. It fits in the palm of my hand. So it is huge as far as this mineralized skin finish goes, and just a compact in general. And of course, I did save the lippy for last. I only picked up one today, but I actually intend on going back tomorrow and picking up a few other products from Patrick Starrr collection. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the lippy that I got. But I did pick up the gloss. This one is the Twerk for Gifts. Oh my God, it is such a gorgeous shade. Here. Oh my gosh. Can you see this? It is so beautiful and it just looks gorgeous on my skin. So I thought, you know what, I definitely am gonna get this one. So that's the lippy that I got. I probably should have got the lipstick. Now I'm sitting here like, man, I probably should have got the lipstick to match it at least. Dazzle Gloss by Patrick Starrr. And that, guys, is going to complete my look and complete my tryout of the Patrick Starrr final collection, the holiday collection. So my thoughts on the 3 products that I purchased from the Patrick Starrr and MAC collection is, it's a thumbs up. Beautiful, beautiful powder. And of course, Patrick Starrr knew that he had to have this in the last collection because everybody and their mamas that wanted it from the first collection wanted it for the next collection. And I got both, baby. The mineralized skin finish by Patrick Starrr. Absolutely love it. I adore it. It is beautiful on my skin, as you can see. It just looks gorgeous. There's this lady that works at the MAC store and she's the cutest lady ever. She's so beautiful and gorgeous, and her skin just always looks absolutely glowy and all that stuff. And now I'm looking at my skin and it honestly looks like, you know what, I just needed to have my mineralized skin finish together and then my skin would look beautiful too. So guys, that's pretty much everything for me with the Patrick Starrr collection. I didn't buy everything. That's because I don't buy everything. I didn't want any of the palettes. I literally just wanted the powder, this, and you know, obviously I picked up one of the glosses that I didn't know that I wanted, but I got it. I tested out one of the pigments that I liked, so I'm probably actually gonna go back tomorrow and pick that up if it's not sold out. I'm definitely gonna go pick that up tomorrow, and then I will show you guys that as well. Other than that, guys, that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment below which items did you get from the Patrick Starrr collection. Did you get any of the items? Do you want to get any of the items? What are you thinking? And I will see you guys next time. Bye.